Hello viewers, today, we will show you how the batch update classification code function works in SQL accounting software. This is a very powerful feature that enables SQL users to quickly update the classification code for multiple stock items in just a few clicks. It is especially helpful for users managing thousands of item codes, as it helps to save time and significantly reduce manual work. First, go to Maintain Stock Item. You can choose to update all items if using the same classification code, or update based on certain filtering, for example, filter by stock group. Press Ctrl+A to highlight all the rows. Then, right-click and select Batch Edit Value. Tick the classification checkbox and choose your desired classification code. Click OK, and the system will prompt a message showing how many records will be updated. Click Yes to proceed with the batch update. If you see a success message, that means the update was completed successfully. Now, click Refresh to display the updated classification codes in the Maintain Stock Item browse. And that's it. We've successfully batch updated the classification code for stock items in SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.